the Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen and the levies are given by oxygen name. So now we will discuss the very important for 2 marks or 4 marks question. Events are steps. Events are steps in respiration. What steps is there in respiration? The first one is, we begin with the breathing. Breathing. Next one we'll discuss gases exchanged lungs. Gases exchanged lungs. Gas transport by blood. Gas exchange at tissue level. Last one is cellular respiration. So there are some steps or events in respiration. First one is breathing. What is breathing? Inhalation, taking oxygen into the lungs and sending away carbon dioxide away from the lungs. Inhalation and exhalation is called as breathing. The air movement into the lungs. Air movement into the lungs. What is gas exchanged lungs level? Exchanging of gases at lungs. Exchanging of gases at lungs. When we breathe, the oxygen enter into the lungs through the nostril, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx. This is the trachea. Trachea will divide into 2 parts. Bronchus, bronchioles. Every bronchioles is attached to the alveoli. So, in the these are alveoli is nothing but this alveoli is located in the lungs. So, gas is exchanged to the lungs level. So, the oxygen enter into the lungs and the carbon dioxide go away from the lungs again from the bronchioles, bronchus, trachea, larynx, pharynx, nasal cavity, nostrils. Gas transport by blood. Gas transport by blood. So, why the blood is red in color? This is a simple question we discussed in 8th and 9th class also. Why the blood is red in color? Due to the presence of hemoglobin. So, due to the presence of hemoglobin. These gases, the oxygen mixed in the blood, this blood carry oxygen from the lungs to the cell, from the lungs to the tissues. In the tissues, it will also carry the carbon dioxide from tissues to the lungs and outside the body. So, gas transport by blood. So, this blood is responsible for carrying of oxygen to the cell and as well as it will carry carbon dioxide away from the body. Blood also transport nutrition to the cell. That's why the blood plays a key role in our body. Next one is gases exchange at tissue level. when oxygen enter from lungs to the tissues, in the tissues, the oxygen is released and sent into the cell. In the cell, the cellular respiration takes place. This oxygen is utilized and carbon dioxide is released. Again, this carbon dioxide go away from cell to tissues, tissues to the, it will carry by blood in the lungs. Again, it will exchange. We will discuss in next class deeply how the gases will exchange in the alveoli. Gases exchange at tissue level. Finally, cellular respiration takes place in cell. What is cellular respiration? Using oxygen in cellular respiration, they use oxygen for the life processes to produce carbon dioxide, and water. They release energy. In cellular respirations, they utilizing oxygen in life processes to produce carbon dioxide and water. They release energy for the life processes. It is called as cellular respirations. So cellular respiration takes place in cell. Once the oxygen enters into the body, breathing gas exchange at lungs level, this gas is transported by blood and gas is exchanged at tissues level. Finally, the cellular respiration takes place. So this is about steps and events in respiration. So next we'll discuss about breathing. How should we know whether we breathe oxygens, we exhale carbon dioxide? Our exhale is contain carbon dioxide or not? How should we know? Check into test tubes. Connect with the tubes and railway tubes. And in one test tubes we have to take water and another test tube you have to take lime water. Lime water. You can blow air from here, from this tube or delivery tubes. Take two test tube, one test tube contained with water, another test tube is contained with the lime water. When we are blowing air, when we exhale, inhale, we take oxygen, exhale air contains carbon dioxide. So we are going to prove that exhale air contains which type of gas. When we are blowing the air from this tube, so this tube, through this tube, the air enter into the lime water and water. If it is a carbon dioxide, this lime water will convert it into white precipitation. If the lime water is converted into precipitation, then we consider it is a carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide mixed with the lime water, it will convert it into white precipitation. Thus, this water cannot convert it into white precipitations. So, this is an example of exhale air contains carbon dioxide. There are so many experiments about this lime water in the second lesson. We will discuss in next classes. Now, next we will discuss pathway of air. Pathway of air. So this is the most important pathway of air. how the air enters into the lungs. First one is nostril. Nasal cavity. Pharynx. Larynx. Trachea. Bronchus. Bronchioles. Alveoli. Blood. So it's very, very important for us. Pathway of air. How the air enter into the alveoli. So from the nostrils to the nostrils, the air enter into the lungs. Nostrils. So next one, nasal cavity. So this is the nostril. In the nasal cavity, there are some a small hair is there. This nasal cavity also called as filtration of air. Through this small hair, the dust particles will remain in the nasal cavity. So filtration will take place in nasal cavity. So it will also control the moisture, so temperatures in our body. So temperature in our body. Next one is pharynx. In pharynx, there is a flap-like muscular wall is present. Flap-like a muscular wall is present in our pharynx. It will control both digestive part and digestive parts and respiratory part. While we are breathing, it will close the digestive pipe. When we are swallowing food material, it will close the respiratory tract, which is also called as a muscular flap-like structure. The next one is larynx. Larynx is called as stiff box. So there is a vocal cord is present in larynx. Vocal cords. Through this vocal cords, when the air is coming away from the lungs, it will vibrate the vocal cords in the larynx. When the vibration takes place in the larynx, is nothing but speech. I am giving speech because of this vocal cords is present in the larynx. When the vocal cords is vibrating, then I am able to speak or singing. This is the larynx. Next one is a trachea. We can observe this is a trachea. It's also called as a windpipe. Through this trachea, the air enter into the bronchus. Trachea divided into two parts. Trachea is divided into two parts. This is called as bronchus. One bronchus leads to the every lungs. So this bronchus leads into left lungs and right lungs. This bronchus is going to divide into so many bronchioles. This bronchus is going to divide into so many bronchioles. Every bronchiole is attached to the alveoli. Every bronchiole is attached to the alveoli. Alveoli is a numerous. It's a sac-like structure. It is very small, and numerous alveoli is present in the lungs. In the alveolus, gases is going to exchange, will take place in the alveoli. Finally, blood. When the oxygen enters into the lungs by nostril, the movement of air, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea. Trachea is divided into two parts. So this is the bronchus. Bronchus is going to divide into so many bronchioles. Every bronchioles is attached to the alveoli. In the alveoli, oxygen enter into the blood. So oxygen mixed with the blood, and this oxygen carried by blood to the tissues, and in the cell, cellular respiration takes place. Again, that carbon dioxide mixed in the blood, it will carry from tissues to the alveoli. In the alveoli, oxygen and the carbon dioxide will exhale. So this is the pathway of air. This is the pathway of air. So you should write this. Pathway of air is the most important for 4 marks question. And you should write events and steps in respiration. Today homework, you should write steps or events in respiration, and the very important 4 marks question, that is pathway of air. You should explain this. What is nostrils? What is nasal cavity? Pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, alveoli, and blood. You should draw a simple diagram also. It is there in your workbook. So write this pathway of air and draw the diagram of pathway of air. Thank you, students.